Good morning, students. We are studying nitrogen fixation in our chapter 2, microorganisms, friend and foe. In the last presentation, we have studied about the non-biological nitrogen fixation. Today, we will study about the biological nitrogen fixation and its types. So, we have learned that atmospheric nitrogen cannot be used directly by plants and animals. Nitrogen needs to get converted to nitrogenous compounds, that is nitrates or ammonium, to get utilized by the plants. This process is called nitrogen fixation. So what is nitrogen fixation? The process of converting atmospheric nitrogen, that is N2 form, into other forms of nitrogen, that may be nitrates, ammonium or nitrites, to get utilized by the plants is known as nitrogen fixation. Now, the types of nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation can be categorized into two groups: non-biological and biological fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation can be again classified into two groups: non-symbiotic fixation and symbiotic fixation of nitrogen. Now our next topic is symbiotic nitrogen fixation. A species of bacteria called Rhizobium help in nitrogen fixation. These bacteria live on roots of plants called legumes or leguminous plants. Example, pea and beans plants, and using certain types of enzymes, they help in fixing nitrogen in the soil. During this biological process, they convert the non-absorbable nitrogen form into a usable form. This form of nitrogen gas gets dissolved in the soil and plants absorb the modified nitrogen from the soil. This is the reason behind farmers implementing crop rotation, where leguminous plants help to replenish nitrogen content in the soil without the necessity of fertilizers. This is a picture of legume root nodules in which Rhizobium bacterium lives. Next topic is nitrogen metabolism. Metabolism is a set of chemical process which is carried on to convert the substance into usable energy. For nitrogen metabolism is mainly based on the recycling of ammonia into neutral or charged form ammonium ion. The main part of nitrogen metabolism is the nitrogen cycle. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.